walks away and he's gone. You think he'd freak out if I put the hose back in?
What's she doing? She putting more water in there? He's gonna start biting that hose. Sound like he farted. He's like, what's going on? He's gonna bite the hose. He's like, not fun, not fun. But he goes right back in. Get it. Get it. And out he goes. But right back in. Get it. He's trying to bite the water.
Get the water. That's actually cool and refreshing. I like that.
He's biting the stream. I can't wait. I want to get a sprinkler now.
Oh, don't rub in your poop.
Gross. He's gonna have poop all over his face. I'm sure he's gonna have shit stuck all over him.
Now there's even more water for him to make waves with.
And out he
I
goes.
think he got it in his nose. He found his own floating toys to bring with him.
And back in he goes.
No? Okay.
He's having too much fun. Bite the water. Bite the water.